Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to the Imperial Balloons channel, where we strive to make you feel like royalty during all your special occasions. My name is Aisha, and today I have a decorate with me video for you guys. It's been a while since I did one of these, and then this is actually not even a real decorate with me video because the decorations were like 90% done when I got on site, but we're gonna get into it anyways. So this setup was for a gender reveal, and I just went ahead and put some weights on the back of this Chiara wall so that it is nice and sturdy. And then we are going to go in with our Oh Baby neon sign. I was really happy to get an order with a neon sign because I haven't really had that many, so then I could just add that sign to my rentals as well. So I was really happy about that. Now I'm going to attach it at 2 points at the top, and I'm using the regular backdrop hook on one side because that's the side where the garland is going to be, and then on the other side I use fishing line attached to a safety pin that I just pinned to the back of that backdrop cover. With fishing line, definitely be sure to make like at least 3 knots into it. I would say that I made probably like 5 knots, maybe even 6, because I'm anxious like that. So fishing line can definitely slip out a little bit easier, so be sure to make an extra knot or 2. Now the colors that I use for this setup are all by Sempertex. I used Fashion Coffee, Fashion White Sand, Pastel Matte Yellow, and Pastel Matte Pink, and Pastel Matte Blue. So as you can see, the garland is pretty much done. The only thing that I had to do was add some more 3-inch decorators to the bottom, and after that it was pretty much done. I was in and out there within probably 45 minutes, and then the client at the last minute also gave me this big black gender reveal balloon to put into the garland. So now the reason that I made this garland fully at home is because I was practicing with a double Chiara wall setup. I went to a workshop a couple of weeks ago, and one of the ladies said that she used to add like 3.5-3 foot of decorations to certain setups just so that she can kind of build her portfolio that way. And I just thought that was such a good idea. So I was practicing. So there was supposed to be another Chiara wall besides this, but because this was an at-home setup, I wasn't sure if there was going to be enough space. So I really didn't think it through, to be honest, but I was glad that I still got to practice a little bit. I had another event the next day, and that was at a venue, so I did the same thing that I wanted to do with this one. With that one, added an extra Chiara wall, and yeah, I think I'm gonna upload that one probably next week, so you guys will see that then. But that is it for this video, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a like and a comment telling me what you think about this setup, and you can find me on all social media platforms at imperialballoons.ac. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.